Kerwin Baker, please.
The 1950s and 60s on into the early 1970s, we have a period of great optimism, tremendous economic growth, right? Opening up of new markets, connections between new markets. This is the backdrop for new increasing pressures on the systems of communication.
Within growing city networks, one conversation over one copper cable had reached capacity. With the introduction of digital technology, speech was now digitized into zeros and ones, which meant a number of conversations could be sent over one cable. Now the attention was turned on the old analog telephone exchanges, which were beginning to show their limitations through speech and connection delays. They were becoming outmoded and near to breaking point.
I can't take any calls now.
Ericsson was under pressure to bring the zeros and ones into the exchanges.
The old mechanical switches were running out of capacity, so development of the digital switch was the ultimate goal. The Swedish operator, Televerket and Ericsson, realized that the cost was too heavy, and they combined their resources, they combined their development engineers with this ultimate goal to develop the digital switch.
The great idea from going from analog switches to digital switches, how much more capacity you can get, how much more people that can actually be using telecommunications.
Instead of having an entire building, you could decrease both the switch element and the computers into small racks.
It was capable of handling scale, which was of course an enormous benefit later, but also had for that time a very high computing power, and also modular software base that could be adapted from the fixed to the mobile.